today's episode of Python Papi, we're back inside our small contracts project. Let's have a look at what we're going to be going over today. Now, today we're back inside of our Web3Py favorites module, and we're going to be picking up from where we left off yesterday. So let's dive right in. So in this next section, we will go over the concept of the double undername or the double underscore name double underscore, which is commonly known as dunder name dunder. Now that we learned how to compile Viper contracts using our command line, we will move on to learning how to compile scripts and then actually deploy to a blockchain. Now we're going to start this process by closing everything, all the files we have open. Then we're going to create a new file called deploy_favorites.py. Note, here is a little Python tip. Whatever we call our Python file, for example, deploy_favorites.py, we can run it using a UV tool like this, UV run deploy_favorites.py, and our terminal will automatically configure the environment we need to run this file, regardless of what configuration is active at the moment. It will remove all the existing environment files and everything else that the environment has configured, and then install our UV environment requirements that we have set up in our UV tool. Like I said yesterday, that's one of the good benefits of using a UV tool. We can actually point all of our projects to that one location and have everything sync up. Now, moving forward, we're going to start our deploy favorites.py file with a double underscore name double underscore equals main script, and it should actually be double underscore name as well. Let me fix that really quickly. And that will look like this. So you can see here we have our define main, which is going to be our main function. And we want that main function to print out long-lived gates. And then we're going to say here, let me move down a little bit. If double underscore name double underscore equals main, we're going to run our main function. So basically what we're going to do is when we run our script is going to look for our main function as opposed to any other function we have inside our script, and it's going to run that main function. So whatever we have inside of our main function is going to be the thing our script looks for, and it's going to run that first. That's what the double underscore name actually represents. It looks for the main script or the main function in the script, so it knows what to do and what instructions to take. There for now because I don't want to move along too fast, so I don't want to get you guys lost. But yeah, we will pick it up tomorrow, and I will keep you posted every step of the way. But for now, it's the Python Papi. You guys stay Gucci.